Welcome to this Codesys tutorial. Today I will show you how to program a simple latching circuit, the classic start-stop control you'll find in almost every industrial machine. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to more PLC tutorials. Let's jump in.
In this lesson, you'll modify the program so that when you press the start button, the motor keeps running. Down below the video, you will find a project template. Open that project, and on the left side, you have a ladder logic diagram program. On the right side, structured text program. Let's start with the modification of ladder logic diagram. Let's click on the first network and right mouse click on the start button. Here you'll find a list of options, but firstly, just choose Insert Contact Parallel below. This is a parallel connection of two normally open contacts. This is OR logic gate. Using that connection, we can start a motor using a start button or another variable. Click on three question marks, then click on three dots, and here you can choose X motor on-off variable. Just click on it and click OK. Just did that? Congrats! Your programming task is done. Of course, this is a really simple task, but if you program the first time in Codesys, PLCs, this is a huge satisfaction. In comparison, how to do that in structured text. Here we have the motor variable on the left side. Then we have an assignment operator, and on the right we can create a logical structure. After the start button variable, click on space and type OR. Then the first two letters XM. On the keyboard, click shortcut Ctrl+ space. This is auto variable filling option. As you can see, we have the same program written in ladder logic and in structured text.
If you'd like to learn Codesys step by step from basic to advanced applications, you can join our full Codesys course on the Control Byte platform. You'll find the link in the description below.
To finish your programming task, just go to Online tab and log in to the PLC simulator. Just click on Login. Here you can choose Login with Download and click OK. Click on the Start icon and start the PLC simulator. Double click on the Start button. Let's prepare the true value, and I use a keyboard shortcut to write this value, Ctrl+ F7. The motor is on. Let's write the false value to the Start button, and the motor is still on. The variable X motor on-off is set to true. You only need to know two instructions in ladder logic and you can keep the motor running. Now let's simulate the structured text program. Double left mouse click on Start button variable. Now the true value is prepared. Go to Debug option, Debug tab, and click on Write Values. You can also use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+ F7. And the motor has started. Let's prepare the false value to the start button. Press Ctrl+ F7 on the keyboard and the motor is still running. The latching program works correctly. If you wrote this program, your programming challenge is complete. Congratulations! I'm sure you're very satisfied, but stay with me for a while because I will show you how this system works on a real PLC. I've downloaded the program to the real PLC. I push the start button, the motor has started, and even if I release the start button, the motor is still running. The latching program runs correctly. Now you have the next challenge. How to stop this program? How to stop the motor? You can use the stop button with normally closed contacts and use the variable to stop the motor in the program. In the end, let's look on the ladder program. I have downloaded the ladder program to the PLC, and right now I will push the start button. One single click on the start button, I release the start button, and the coil is set on. Our motor is still running. Let's go to the next lesson. You will use the stop button to stop this program and stop the motor.
And that's all for the latching circuit in Codesys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, otherwise your PLC might refuse to start next time. Check the link below for the full Codesys course at ControlByte.